Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant Channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll review iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you are a new viewer on this video, hit the like and subscribe button. So 12 Pro Max contains Apple A14 Bionic processor. So now we'll open the box and we'll see what is inside. So 12 Pro Max contains Apple A14 Bionic processor. If we talk about the dimension, iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with 6.7 inches Super Retina display, XDR OLED capacitive touch screen. Inside the box you will get only USB-C to Lightning cable, documentation, and you will get SIM card ejector, plus you will get Apple sticker. So this is what inside the box. So this is Apple 12 Pro Max Gold and this is how it looks like. Now we'll remove the cover. Overall it looks a very pretty device. Display dimension you will get 6.7 inches. So the back will look like this. If we will talk about the width, you will get 3.07 inches in iPhone 12 Pro Max. iPhone 12 Pro Max contains 12 megapixel selfie camera and also the same 12 megapixel back camera, including sensor and flashlight, plus 12 megapixel telephoto, 5x optical zoom, plus 12 megapixel ultra wide scanner for night mode. The front camera has a 12 megapixel wide plus SL 3D depth bionic sensor. The smartphone is fueled by a non-removable battery, fast charging 20 watt plus USB power delivery 2.0 plus 7 watt QI wireless charging and 15 watt MagSafe wireless charging. The phone runs on iOS 14 operating system. So here you can see the display of the device. Overall iPhone 12 Pro Max is much faster than the previous versions. It's smooth, faster and bigger than the previous devices. Now we'll go to settings and show you the phone specifications. You can see the software version 14.4 and model name iPhone 12 Pro Max, model number, serial number. So this is the biggest device ever produced by Apple. So this device is physically dual SIM. We can insert two SIMs at a time. So these are the built-in applications you will get once you will board this phone. Overall it looks a very pretty and handy device. Very smooth, faster. If we will talk about the ratings, about design, display, camera features, connectivity, usability, performance and battery, it's one of the best device ever. Share us your opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.